True leadership, the Sadio Mané moment. What is true leadership? True leadership is inspiring trust. True leadership is empowering others. True leadership is guiding people toward a shared vision with integrity. It is not about being the best performer. It is not about collecting accolades. Leadership is about being the steady presence when the storm hits. The quiet calm when emotions flare. The strength that remains when others crumble. A true leader stays composed when the environment turns hostile. They make the right choices when others panic. They lead by example. They put the bigger picture above themselves. Leadership is courage. Leadership is responsibility. Leadership is integrity. A leader acts not for praise, but because people depend on them. Leadership is the voice that guides, the hand that steadies, the heart that inspires. Even when fear, anger, or doubt fills the air, true leadership reveals itself when everything seems lost. Sometimes, leadership is not just a concept. Sometimes, it is visible in a single unforgettable moment. On Sunday, January 18, 2026, Africa witnessed one of those moments in Casablanca. The AFCON final, the biggest tournament in Africa. Senegal faced the host nation, Morocco. The stadium pulsed with energy. Every heartbeat in that arena carried the weight of a continent's hope. The stakes were enormous. Both nations fought with all their strength. Then came a controversial penalty decision against Senegal, the kind of call that flips a match on its head. For a split second, everything froze. Players threw up their hands in disbelief, fans shouted from the stands. The bench erupted in frustration. It wasn't just about football anymore, it was about pride, about effort, about feeling like the game was slipping away for reasons outside their control. And in moments like that, emotions don't build slowly. They explode. Several Senegalese players, even the coach, walked off. The match hung on the edge. And in the middle of it all, one player stood. Sadio Mané. He didn't follow the crowd. He didn't walk off with the others. He didn't lose his head. He observed. He thought. Then he moved. He entered the dressing room where emotions were running high. One can imagine him addressing his teammates, each word carrying weight. Listen, team. I know you're angry. But remember, we are not just here for a trophy. We are here for Senegal. We are here for every fan who stayed awake to watch us. We are here for every kid in Africa who dreams of this moment. For African football, the one thing that unites us. Winning matters, yes, but it's still just a game. The entertainment matters more. To the world watching, how we carry ourselves when things fall apart matters here. So we finish what we started, together. Win or lose, we leave the pitch with our heads high. Pride and unity last forever. Slowly, voices dropped. Slowly, they followed him back onto the pitch as one unit and saved the face of Africa's football. The penalty was taken. Senegal's goalkeeper made the save. The stadium erupted. Energy returned to Senegal. Determination replaced frustration. When the final whistle blew, Senegal emerged victorious, not only in the match, but in character. That day showed the world that true leadership is not in the trophy, the applause, or the headlines. True leadership is bringing people back from anger, keeping their eyes on the bigger prize, and showing composure when the moment is most difficult. Sadio Mané didn't just win a game. He showed the world what it means to lead, with courage, calm, conviction, and a heart that puts others first. Leadership is doing the right thing even when everyone else has given up. For Senegal. For Africa. For anyone watching. Believe it or not, Mané is a hero.